Hi up guys, and this video I will show you how to view your own private story on Snapchat. Firstly, go to your photo site on the third selection on your Snapchat and take a photo or choose it from your gallery. I will take it right now. Now I'm gonna type something and I'm gonna get up to my story. Send to, go for my story, but before you get up, go to your private story on your upper side, and here you have that said description, new private story, choose who can view your private story. Now I'll go with this person, for example, or I don't know, I will go with this and go for create story. Now you can get up the name of the story, go save, and as you can see guys, here it is created, the new private story. Click on it and go save. Now add it to story, click on that side on your upper side and go on the left side by typing on it. When you scroll down here, you can see the private story that you have get it right now. Just click on it, and here with this you can view your own private story. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.